Quilt magazines are just one more thing for quilters to collect. They're great resources for inspiration and an economical way to collect a variety of different patterns. I recently submitted a design to McCall's Quilting, and imagine my surprise when it showed up on the cover. So I hope you love stars as much as I do, because the McCall's Quilting July-August 2020 issue has some great patterns. Let's take a look at Starlit Night Skies.
I'm Andy, and this is True Blue Quilts, a place to enjoy, experiment, and excel as you quilt.
The pattern I designed for McCall's Quilting features two of my favorite star patterns: the larger 8-point star and the smaller friendship star. I've shared construction of the friendship star, and I'll link to that video right now. Here's a better look at some of the blocks in the Moonlit Night Skies pattern. For the 8-point star, I actually used two different reds from Northcott's Stars and Stripes line. The friendship star just has a lighter patriotic fabric on their blue Stonehenge background. And I like the mix of the two different sizes of stars, and I've just put them on a diagonal layout with some negative space in between. I quilt with the same thread, top and bottom, so you can see the fun little design that I did for the friendship star, and just some basic wavy lines there in the 8-point star. These blocks go together very easily with plain squares and half square triangles. I hope you go out to get your copy of McCall's Quilting and give this pattern a try. Let's take a look at some different color options.
Do you like the darker background? I think this quilt would look amazing with some light colored stars. Maybe find some fabric with a hint of a metallic shine. Maybe you prefer a light background. I think this design would look fabulous in some soft floral fabrics. Please try it out and share pictures with me. Remember to shop your independent quilt stores in your local area. We definitely want them to stay in business. And I'd love to hear about your star quilt projects. Please leave a comment or send me an email. Click on the video below and we'll get started sewing a friendship star quilt block. I'll catch you in the next video.